Hi, I'm Mary Nebatakis of Nat Loans. I want to share a case study with you of a customer that we were recently able to assist. This customer had a situation where he had a number of credit cards and a personal loan that he was trying to juggle, as we all do. This customer was really struggling to be able to make ends meet. Being a single guy, and he was on a reasonable income, $85,000 a year, but he had to meet his commitment with paying rent, paying his debts off, etc. And that was challenging for him, especially when his credit cards were simply just paying the interest only. So what we did was we looked at his situation and we were able to roll the 3 credit cards and his personal loan into one personal loan of about $42,000. This was great because the loan was over a 7-year loan term, and we were able to reduce his commitment to by about $550 per month. So he had an extra $550 to be able to pay bills and live again. He was back in control and he was absolutely thrilled to pieces. And now that he's back on track, he's paying off his loan and he's going to be able to go on a holiday soon and really enjoy himself once again. So here at Nat Loans, what we do is we really customise and look at our customer situation and try and really help them to get back in control and to really achieve their dreams. So thanks, we hope we can hear from you soon, and maybe we can assist you as well with some situations like this.